Well, we Googled trans killers, and within seconds, you find out a bunch of trans murderers.
It was hot boy summer for the Taliban.
Insects, tap water, and celibacy. That's what Marxism was.
I mean, how many racist bridges can you rename?
Homelessness is a choice.
Women are in their prime in their late teens.
Your womb resembles a dried up tumbleweed blowing down an old western town. I got a 0.0 grade point average in college. I'm not making that up.
China is a protected class.
We're already at war with China in space.
You can't have a statue to Abe Lincoln. We tore those down.
Men cannot have the hiccups. Adults should not have the hiccups, but especially grown men. So stop having hiccups, guys.